What was the address again?
Kajaaninlinnantie 7.
Yes, Kajaaninlinnantie 7 is the KSS. Yes, we think this was originally built in 1963, probably on project information. It was probably also modernized in the 1980s, maybe by MP8 fixtures. I replaced again in 2020. The serial number is 43856 65851. Best is 4 so 320 grams with 9 floors and a door glass bottom. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. So one is enough.
Yeah.
So there are, I think, 10 staircases here.
Yeah.
And all of them were modernized and then replaced again.
Yeah.
Or maybe they were for the original before, but we're not sure. We don't know.
Yeah.
They could have also been completely original before.
Yeah.
But at least on the doors outside we saw, they are from the 1980s or early 90s, so I believe it was also modernized before.
Yeah.
So that's fun.
Alaspäin ylös.
Yeah.
Alas.
And they can get also busy.
Ja. Spektaakkelwijs dat meteen paikkaan.
Because a lot of people are living in this building. This is near the KSS center, Helsinki as first Finland.
Touched.